Welcome to another video here at Back to Classics, and today I'm afraid I have some sad news to share, and that is that our company dog and my companion for the last 13 years, Grover, he died last week suddenly at the age of 13, which is a respectable age for a dog his size. And I'm sure he had a wonderful life with very, very fun memories that we made along the way. He was a part of the business as much as anything. He came with me every day to the workshop, and well, he loved being around here, although he hated motorcycles, especially when they were running, which you can see in a moment. But as he's been featured on this YouTube channel as well so often, we thought not to let this moment pass without further notice, and that is why we have made a small compilation of images and videos of Grover through the years, which we'd like to show you in a moment. So, well, we're all very sad, of course, because we have to miss this good friend of ours, the best sort of friend we can have, actually. So, well, let's remember Grover the way he was and keep that memory for the future. We thank you very much for watching. Toodledokie, and see you next time, hopefully with some better news. Thank you very much. Welcome to another episode here at Back to Classics. Walking the dog, as you can see, in this beautiful summer weather. And here's Grover. Come, Grover. Never mind the dog, people. Doesn't like bikes.